Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Gordon Murray Automotive T.33 and this is by Hotwheels and this is new for 2025 from the factory fresh series, and I bought this for 179 which is the MRP. Let's unbox this. I don't want to waste any time. Okay, let me just put this aside for a minute. Let me show you the card art here. It looks good, nothing to complain here. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Okay, so out of the box, honestly the casting looks really good. So you can see the interior detailing here, that is really nice. It has the engine detailing here. Wow, that is really nice. They actually did really well with this casting. So even though mine has some scratches here, so I really don't care about that because I mean that is, maybe that might be particular for me. So okay, it has the headlight details here, the logo here. I really don't know about this particular logo, how it actually looks in a real car, so I can't comment on that one. So but headlight details are there. Let's see. There are no grill details. I'm not sure about the actual car whether it has a grill here. I think it is supposed to have for air intake. But the engine detailing looks absolutely awesome. Okay. Wow, that is really cool. It has taillight details and it says Gordon Murray Automotive as well. It says a model number also here, T.33. That is really awesome. And it has a little bit of chassis detailing also, very little. So it has exhaust details here. There is something here, I don't know, it is supposed to be splitter, but it does have some detailing. Okay, it has rear view mirrors as well. The air intake scoop here, I think so. Yeah, it is connecting to the engine here, so it is supposed to be the air intake. So honestly, the casting looks really nice. So I really wish they would have done in a different color scheme here instead of going with this particular, I think this teal color, I guess. Instead of this they could have went with like a glittery blue. I think they did that with Pagani Utopia. In this particular case, I will be unboxing that soon, so that color looks good. So I need to open and see how this one actually looks. They could have went with like glittery blue, or this deep olive glittery green kind of thing, or in general any uh, like a bit of darker color that would have boosted this castings uh, level a little bit more. Okay, so the body is fully metal, and this part here, the roof here, this is plastic. So this is a frosted uh, plastic actually. This is all connected, so all these are plastic. And there's wiper detailing here, that is really embossed, that is really nice. And the chassis is fully plastic, including the side skirts here, everything is plastic. But the interior looks absolutely awesome, I really like that. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Doesn't even feel heavy, maybe 25 or 20 to 25 grams, I guess. Let's see. Wow, 29 grams, that I didn't expect. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Wow, it does roll really well. Try to. Okay, it does a little bit of wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but still it rolls really well. I think so far whatever we unboxed, this is the only car it actually rolled really fast and hit and came back off the track here. So it does its job pretty well. Even though I personally don't like the set of rims, it does its job really well. Okay, let's rate this casting. So I don't see any issue with the casting. Leave the scratches out. That is only for me. Yours might not have. So apart from that, there are no issue with the casting. It literally has both headlight and tail light details and everything. So I'm giving it 10 out of 10 for this one, and I'm really giving this score just not only for this detail but for the interior, to be honest. That they actually nailed it. Even compared to the F40, they did this one really well. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.